Want to create multiple YouTube channels using just one Google account? In this video, I will show you the exact step-by-step process to create a new YouTube channel using the same Gmail account in less than 2 minutes. So let's get started. First, open Chrome, and then all you need to do is to open YouTube. Now click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From here, you can either open YouTube Studio or go directly to settings. But in this video, I am clicking on YouTube Studio. Once YouTube Studio opens, click on settings on the left side. Now go to channel and then open advanced settings. After that, scroll down to the bottom and click on manage YouTube account. Now I will show you another way to reach the same page. Click on the profile icon again in the top right corner and then click on settings. As you can see, this brings you to the same page as I mentioned earlier. Now click on create a new channel. Here enter your new channel name. For example, I will type video example. Then create your handle. I will use video example 1. After that, click on create channel. And that's it. Your new YouTube channel has been successfully created. You can also switch between your channels anytime by clicking on your profile icon, then switch account and selecting the channel you want to use. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more YouTube tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.